breakfast here with homemade jam. And then we climb. Beautiful views as we ascend. While it can be a bit chilly in the morning, you will quickly get warm when you start to walk. The best strategy is to dress like an onion, dress in layers, and you can add and remove to get comfortable.
Not much is known about these ruins. Runkurake means egg hut and got its name from its oval shape, obviously. Now that we have a bit of time, why don't you tell us a bit about Hiram Bingham, Janet?
Born in 1875, Hiram Bingham III was an American academic, explorer, and politician. He made public the existence of the Inca citadel of Machu Picchu in 1911 with the guidance of local indigenous farmers.
That's one smart robot.
I'm not a robot.
Whatever. As we are approaching the ruins of Sayakmarka, let's hear what Janet has to say about them.
Some researchers argue that Sayakmarka probably was not a distinctly Inca structure, but rather it would be one of the buildings where the Collas lived and that the Incas conquered to use their land as part of an improvement. Due to the small territory occupied by the complex, the Inca government implemented an antneries and platform system in the surrounding areas that allowed the production of diverse products that guaranteed the feeding of at least 200 inhabitants of the area. And we finally arrive at Sayakmarka for the night. The views there are breathtaking. The ruins have a very interesting system of irrigation which was used to cultivate on the terraces that are carved on the mountainsides. After another amazing supper, we take some pictures with the porters, chefs, and other related staff. It's not actually all of them on the picture. Tomorrow's the big day, the Sun Gate and the Machu Picchu.